Types of activity ratios. The important activity ratios are as follows. Inventory turnover ratio. This ratio calculates the number of times out of operations inventory is converted into revenue during an accounting period. It tells the relationship between the cost of revenue from operations and average inventory. Significance of inventory turnover ratio. It is used to measure the liquidity. How many times the inventory is purchased and replaced during the year. Low turnover of inventory can be because of bad buying, obsolete inventory, etc. And high turnover is good, and it may be because of buying in small lots or selling quickly at low margin to realize cash. Trade receivables turnover ratio. The ratio that tells the relationship between credit revenue from operations and trade receivables is called as trade receivables turnover ratio. Significance of trade receivables turnover ratio. The speed at which the trade receivables are realized determines the liquidity position of the company. It tells the number of times the receivables are turned over and converted into cash in an accounting period. Higher turnover means speedy collection from trade receivables. Trade payable turnover ratio. Trade payables turnover ratio tells the pattern of payment of trade payable. A trade payable is created out of credit purchases, and it expresses relationship between credit purchases and trade payable. Significance of trade payable turnover ratio. It tells the average payment period. Lower ratio means credit allowed by the supplier is for a long period or delayed payment to suppliers, which may affect the reputation of the business.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.